National Cleaning Week for me as a Clean Intelligent employee is all about helping our vision come to life. And that vision is to lead the evolution of facility service management by allowing everyone to enjoy the benefits of a safe and clean environment. And that is why Clean Intelligence celebrates each year. National Cleaning Week is about understanding and further educating ourselves of the value of clean and the essential role that cleaners and facility managers play in the health and safety of communities throughout the world. So others should be excited for the celebration that week coming in March, because it's your opportunity to show that you advocate for clean, to thank the cleaners that keep you safe from viruses and other germs, and then take the opportunity to speak with state officials on these important topics in the Jansan industry. Clean Intelligence Software is excited to celebrate with ISSA and everyone else during National Cleaning Week. If you're an advocate of clean, prove it forward.